job? You might be worried about your job security because ChatGPT, an AI tool, is able to write entire blog posts, essays, code, and business plans in just a few seconds. Well, I'm here to tell you it's normal to be fearful of change, but anytime change occurs, so do new opportunities. And plus, humans are highly adaptable. Since the beginning of time, technology and tools have been here to help us become more productive and to take away any repetition and mundane tasks. We will always need a human to operate a machine. And let's not forget that humans bring in compassion, empathy, creativity, and unique personalities. These are qualities that can never be replaced by a robot. So if you're wondering whether or not AI is going to replace your job, just know that it's going to help you get to the next version of your job. And did you know that you can use ChatGPT in your job search? A recent study by the Society of Human Resource Management actually showed that recruiters and HR are encouraging job seekers to leverage tools like ChatGPT because they want to hire resourceful and efficient candidates. If you're staring at a blinking cursor or a blank page for too long, did you know ChatGPT can help you with your resume, your cover letter, networking templates, and much more? It isn't a perfect replacement for a career coach or resume writer, but it's a great starting point. Let me know in the comments if you've used ChatGPT in your job search yet, and be sure to read the caption to see how you can leverage ChatGPT for your job search.